Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to use Widgetable. Are you looking for a good guide how to use Widgetable? Stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so first and foremost, download the app. Download Widgetable from the App Store. Like any other third-party app, you'll need to download the Widgetable app from the App Store. It's very straightforward, just like any other app. So after that, connect with friends to share your lock screen widgets. So once installed, open the Widgetable app and tap More located at the bottom menu. Uh, uh, and then tap Profile and Friends from the menu. Next, tap on Add a New Friend at the bottom of the screen and input their code. So this into this, right? And into this. That's how you add friends on a Widgetable. And yeah, so after that, setting up, once you're both friends on Widgetable, you'll need to pick out your widget and set it up in the app. Then tap on Explore at the bottom of the screen. Pick out a widget like the rectangular distance one, for example, and then select the friend you want to use it with, and then tap Save, and that's how you share with each other. That's how you use Widgetable. That's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you in the next one.